Hi and welcome back to the channel. Today I was thinking we are going to go over the type of desk setup I use to run my small business. So the desk itself, it's a Rudolph desk from IKEA. I had it for like 5 years maybe. It's 40 centimeter by 80 centimeter. I really enjoy having a deeper desk. It's a sit-stand desk, but you can only use electric manual. So no presets. It's a very basic desk with white legs and all. The display I use is the BenQ DP2705U. It's a 60 Hz display, 4K. That's what it has to. It's an IPS with almost a full RGB range for color grading and photo editing. It's been phenomenal. Really liked the size, the 27-inch monitor. The computer I use, I recently upgraded to the MacBook Pro M5 Pro. I got it before Apple bumped up the prices. It's been really great because I can work from almost anywhere. Got all the ports I need, especially the SD card. So when I'm out shooting, I usually like to edit before I go home. So just plug it in, edit, send, and then I go home and the work is done. It's been phenomenal, great. So the specs I got: Space Gray, the M5 Pro Bind version. Still great. It's 5 processor with 16 graphics, 24 gigs of RAM with 1 terabyte SSD. Been super great. We'll probably have it for many years to come. The keyboard and mouse setup, very easy choice. It's the MX keys for Mac and the MX Master 3 mouse. I had the MX2. Liked it a lot, so when the 3 got out, my wife got my old one, so I bought the latest and greatest at the time. Now the 4 has come out. I don't really know what I think about the button thing for the thumb. I really enjoy just clicking to make all the windows go away. The desk mat I use is just a simple mat from Amazon. Got it for like 200 Swedish crowns. Very easy choice. Maybe I will upgrade, because I had it for a couple of years. So on top of the monitor, I got this light bar, also some cheap from Amazon. I was looking around for some good ones, maybe the BenQs, but I didn't know if I would like it or not. So I got this one for pretty cheap, and it's just doing the job. You can adjust the brightness and color temperature and all that stuff. I have it on the lowest yellow setting, because in here in my office it's pretty dark and moody, and it's easier to see on the monitor, and it's easier on the eyes. For sound, because I have my MacBook prompt up on the side, sound isn't that great. I got beautiful sound from the speakers when it's open and you're working with it, and the sound in the monitor is not that great. So I got a Beats Pill when they came out. It's been great. It's a Bluetooth speaker. It's incredible. It can go incredible loud for its size, and it's Beats, so it got bass, and I'm happy. The last thing I always have at my desk is a notebook. I like to scribble down ideas and things I have to do. And to make my brain work a little bit better, I put it down in this one. I recently also got new field notes. They're great because you can bring them with you almost anywhere. This is for the YouTube stuff. So in here I wrote down all the things that I had to remember, because this is like the 17th take or something. So always a notebook, always pens. The pens I use is Lamy pens. I don't know if you can see it. Where is it? Over here. Lamy. I got like 3 of these. I got one fine, one extra fine, and one for the lefties, because I'm a lefty. So yeah, that's the desk setup. Maybe I will make more of these, maybe I won't, but I'm really thinking about making another desk in another room here in the store. I will do a store tour soon, so stay tuned for that. I hope you subscribe. When that will come out, I will probably make it, I don't know. It will come. So if there's anything that you're wondering about that I'm talked about here, leave a comment and see if I can answer it. Until the next one. Have it nice, and hope you stay cool in the summer heat, because it's freaking hot here. So bye bye.